In this video, we are going to see how to add Shopify color swatches on product page. Let's get started. Here I am on the Shopify website. Click over to start a free trial. Choose an option that best describes you. I will go with the first one and click over the next. Where would you like to sell? You can choose as many as you like and move on next step. What do you plan to sell first? You can pick any of these to start with, and click over Next. Choose your location, and click over Next. In the last step, create your Shopify ID. I will go with a Google account. It will take a few seconds to generate a store. Here I am on my Shopify store dashboard. On the left bottom, click over Settings. And then Apps and Sales Channels. I have 3 apps already installed. Click over the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, enter color swatches. Click over the yellow color swatch variant image. Click over Install. And then install the app. Here you can see the plans and pricing. You can check monthly and yearly plans. I will go with my current free plan. Welcome to the yellow color swatch variant image. Click over Let's Go. Click over the next step. In Template Collection Settings, choose swatch type, circle, square, or fit text. Adjust swatch size. Swatch spacing. Border style, none, single or double. Choose thickness. Border color. And the selected swatch color. You can add hover effects. Zoom image on hover. Apply size change on hover when carousel mode on swatch. Align content. Left, center, or right. Carousel enable or disable. In the product template settings, adjust the swatch size. Spacing. Border style. Colors. Apply hover effects. Zoom image on hover. Size change on carousel mode. And align the center. Click over the next step. In Settings, you can enable the reorder option. Sold out variant display type. Image width and height. Background size. Add to the card button label. Added to the card button label, and so on. Move on to the next step. In Theme Integrate, select a theme for applying the color swatch. I will go with a refresh. You can see a notice Add Globo Color Swatch App Embed block to your theme to show swatch. Click over and go to the theme editor. Globo Color Swatch activated. Click over Save. Let's go back. Click over Sync now. You can install the pre-order Globo app for free. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.